Ciao, my name is Rossella. I'm Italian and I have created this channel to help you improve your Italian and become fluent and confident at it. If this is your aim, subscribe to my channel to be the first to see my next output. Each video will include revision time, memo time and quick and fun games so you can practice your knowledge. If you want me to help you with something, leave me a message and I will make a video on the topic of your choice. In this video, I'm going to talk about the verbo potere. The verbo potere is really important because it's one of these verbs, potere, dovere and volere, that we use very, very often. If you think that potere means can and would, dovere must, have to, and volere want and would like, you can tell that we use it very often. So it's good if we know it very fluently. I'm going to publish 3 videos in which you can practice the conjugation and make time to become fluent. Remember that one of my aims is to help you become fluent and confident, and the only way is to practice. That is to say, to conjugate the verb as many times as you can. In this way, you will feel comfortable at the sound of it and at the sound that you make conjugating it. And this is making you fluent. So, let's have a go. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. So, let's say it one more time. Repeat after me. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Please note the third person singular, egli può. There is an accent on the final vowel, and this means that the stress goes there. So we don't say può, which doesn't exist in Italian, but we say può. And we put an accent because every time the stress is on the final vowel, we must include an accent. So, egli può. This is an irregular verb. It comes from Latin. So, sometimes the root is pos, sometimes the root of the verb is pu. So, or po. So it's just a matter of knowing it by heart. Therefore, let's try to be more fluent. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. And if you watched my previous videos, you will know that my top tip is repeat, repeat, repeat. Therefore, let's repeat it, shall we? Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Pause the video and repeat this as many times as you can. For now, I move on to the next slide where I suggest that you can say it without looking. So close your eyes or look at somewhere else. Don't look at the screen and say it with me. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. And again. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. How was it? Better? Okay. Time for games, and then we'll come back to this. Complete the conjugation. Essi possono. Noi possiamo. Io posso. Egli può, with the accent we talked about. Voi potete. Tu puoi. We also have a say. Se vuoi, puoi. If you want, you can. All right, se vuoi, puoi. Imparare l'italiano. Se vuoi, puoi diventare fluent. Follow my suggestion and you'll be fluent in no time at all. All right, let's say it faster. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Pause the video and say it aloud. And as usual, I suggest that you can feel the rhythm of it and the music, the sound of the verb, of the whole conjugation. This will make your brain connect immediately subject and verb without you thinking. And if you don't need to think, this is when you can consider yourself fluent, because this is when you will need to use it in real life, you will use the right verb with the right subject. So, try not to look and try to say it faster, as fast as me. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. And now, feel the waves. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Can you feel the waves? Let's try again. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Close your eyes or look at somewhere else and try to say it faster. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. Off you go. And one last time. Io posso, tu puoi, egli può. Noi possiamo, voi potete, essi possono. And finally, my top tip ever. Repeat as many times as you can. If you feel comfortable with you reciting the verb, the conjugation of verbo potere, move on to the next video. Otherwise, go back to the beginning and try again tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, or twice a day, 3 times a day. Trust me, this is the only way to become fluent. Per oggi è tutto. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can have many more chances to improve your Italian. And speaking about that, go to my next video where I talk about verbo dovere and verbo volere. Ciao!